Good morning, mathematicians. We're looking at our last lesson for this unit 2, our last cool down at least. This is estimating products, and I really love this particular cool down because we're thinking about really almost like a scale if our answers are going to be about this, more than this, less than this, because really, truly, multiplying is like a scale. We can actually make things smaller, bigger, stay the same, and we're playing with that in this particular lesson. So here, boys and girls, Jada has said that both number 1 and number 2 are going to have an answer of about 20. So for each problem, we're going to explain if that answer of 20 is too high, too low, or about right. Okay, now for number 1, let's think about this. Let's do just a little bit of brainstorming. If I have 5 and 5/6 times 4, we have seen that we would first think about, okay, 4 times 5, which already, doesn't that give us 20? And then we're going to have to add 5/6 times 4, which that certainly is going to put us over 20, isn't it? So because already at this moment right here, we're at 20, and then this is going to add even more, we know that her answer is too low. So for number 1, we do want to select the idea that her answer is too low. We do need to explain why her thinking is, in this case, too low. And here is one idea of how you could do that. I have written that Jada's answer is too low because 5 times 4 will already have you to 20. And then 5/6 times 4 will take it above 20, right? That will be 24/6, which is going to be 4 more. It will be 4 more than 20. So Jada's answer of 20 is too low. That is the answer and the thinking for number 1. Now let's go down and let's do something similar for number 2. First, let's do a little brainstorm. We know that we are going to have 3, let me take this back to my writing tool. Here we go. We know that we're going to have 3 times 6 and 5/8. Well, that is going to be 3 times 6, which is going to be 18. And then we're going to have to add to that 3 times 5/8. So let's think about this. Is 20 too low, too high, or about right? Well, already at this moment, we're going to have 18, right? Then here at this moment, we're going to have 3 times 5, which is going to give us 15. And then our denominator is going to stay at 8. 15/8 is just under 2 more. So 18 plus almost 2 makes it clear that this answer is just about right. So for number 2 here, boys and girls, we're not going to say too low like we did above. Here we're going to say that our answer is about right. We do need to explain that. So here is a sample answer that you could use. I said Jada's answer of 20 is about right, because 3 times 6 will give you 18. Then you multiply 3 times 5/8, that will be 15/8, which is just under 2 more. 18 plus 2 is 20, so the answer is about 20. Boys and girls, that finishes out our lesson 16 on estimating products.